Hello, teacher and students. My name is Luis David Guevara Mora. Activity what would have happened if I graduated in 2012 from my baccalaureate with a grade doing to fuel it, and that was a belong to military force. What happened? In 2013, I started my incorporation process for the Colombian Air Force with the dream of belonging a, to a helicopter crew. What was the matter? When they gave me the medical result, the result was postponed where they specified that I should have a nose job set to plastic. At that moment, it thought that all that dream would no longer be reality. My parents asked me, "Do you want to continue?" My answer was yes. I had this surgery. I got the result to continue the process. I know I was waiting to be called from the school introduce myself. How how did you read at the moment? Uh, on the 12th of December, I was in Ibagué. In the afternoon, I arrived and my house and a song as I entered my house. My mother started crying. She did not know what was happening. She scared me. I was in shock, and my mother said to me, "Son is leaving." How did you feel about that situation? And how did you react? At that time, I feel sad because I don't want to leave my parents alone since I was the right hand of my parents because I have the one who was looking after the farm and his business. How this history finish? In January 2014, I entered the school where I was there for 3 years. After that, I received my graduation and started working at Cacon 4 located in Melgar, Tolima, where I currently live, and I am very proud to fulfill my dream. Thank you, teacher and students. Bye.